Hello friends, welcome to Premier UPSC IS. So continuing with the concepts environment, today we are going to cover the concept of biofuel. Okay. So before biofuel, we should understand obviously the topic of National Policy on Biofuel 2018. Okay. Direct questions could be asked from this topic. So pay attention. Biofuels in India are of strategic importance as it augurs well with ongoing initiatives of the government such as Make in India, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Skill Development, etc. Biofuel. What is biofuel? Biofuel is any hydrocarbon fuel that is produced from organic matter in a short period of time. Okay, any hydrocarbon fuel is called as biofuel that is produced from a short period of time. Different generations of biofuels are first generation biofuel, second generation, third generation, and fourth generation. First generation, what? It uses the food crops. So first generation food crop, you should remember this one, like wheat and sugar for making ethanol and oil seeds for biodiesel by the conventional method of fermentation. That is called as first generation biofuels. Second generation biofuels, it uses non-food crops and feedstock such as jatropha, wood, grass, seed crops, organic waste, etc. What is third generation biofuels? It uses specially engineered algae. So first generation is food crop, second generation is non-food crop, and third generations are algae, whose biomass is converted into biofuels. Fourth generation is it aims at not only producing sustainable energy but also a way of capturing and storing carbon dioxide. Such biofuels are called as fourth generation biofuels. Different types of biofuels are bioethanol, biodiesel, biogas, and biojet. Let's see each individually. Bioethanol. It is a fermentation of carbohydrate and cellulosic material of crops and other plants and grasses. Biodiesel, it is methyl or methyl ester of fatty acids produced by trans-esterification of oils and fats obtained from plants and animals. This is called as biodiesel. Biogas, it is a mixture of methane and other gases like carbon dioxide and nitrogen is produced by anaerobic digestion of organic materials. This is called as biogas. Biojet, it is produced from biomass resources and used in place of or blended with air turbine fuel. Recently, India's first ever biojet fuel flight taken off by using the fuel developed by CSIR, that is Indian Institute of Petroleum IIP. Okay. Silent features of the National Policy on Biofuels 2018. The policy categorizes the biofuels as basic biofuels, namely first generation bioethanol and biodiesel, and advanced biofuels, that is second generation ethanol, municipal solid waste MSW, to drop in fuels, third generation biofuels, bio-CNG, etc. Thrust on advanced biofuels, viability gap funding scheme for 2G ethanol biorefineries in addition to additional tax incentives and a higher purchase price as compared to first generation biofuels, allows use of surplus food grains for production of ethanol, expands the scope of raw material for ethanol production by allowing the use of sugarcane juice, sugar containing materials like sugar beet, sweet sorghum, starch containing materials like corn, cassava, damaged food grains like wheat, broken rice, rotten potatoes, unfit for human consumption for ethanol production. Encourages setting up of supply chain mechanisms for biodiesel production from used cooking oil, non-edible oil seeds, short gestation crops, etc. Synergizing efforts by capturing the roles and responsibilities of all the concerned ministries and departments with respect to biofuels in the policy document itself. Benefits of the use of biofuels. This could be itself a single question for prelims examination. Benefits are it reduces the reduce import dependency, cleaner environment. Third is health benefits. Fourth is municipal solid waste management. Fifth, infrastructural investment in rural areas. Sixth, employment generation. And seventh, additional income to farmers. So this is all about biofuels, the national policy for biofuels in India. Direct questions could be asked pertaining to the definition of biofuels or the different generations of biofuels, first generation, second generation, and or it could be a direct mains question that we have to write the whole policy and different types of biofuels present in the world. Stay tuned for such crisp concepts for environment, other topics. Stay tuned with Premier UPSC IES channel and do subscribe. Thank you.